Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this part, we're diving deeper into the long-term costs of owning an electric vehicle compared with a gasoline car. Let's examine battery life, major repairs, tire wear, and the factors that can make maintenance more or less expensive over time. Driving habits also affect maintenance costs. A driver who frequently accelerates hard, carries heavy loads, or drives in extreme temperatures may experience different wear patterns regardless of vehicle type. Smooth driving, proper tire inflation, and regular inspections can help reduce maintenance expenses for both electric and gasoline vehicles. Climate plays a role as well. In very cold weather, electric vehicle batteries can be less efficient, and some components may require additional attention. Gasoline vehicles also face challenges in cold conditions, such as increased engine wear during cold starts. Neither type of vehicle is completely unaffected by environmental conditions. When researchers compare average maintenance expenses, electric vehicles often come out ahead because they have fewer scheduled services and fewer mechanical parts that require regular replacement. The savings may not appear immediately in the first few months of ownership, but they can become more noticeable over several years. For families and daily commuters, lower routine maintenance can be especially attractive. Fewer trips to service centers, fewer fluid changes, and fewer engine-related repairs can make ownership simpler and more predictable. Some drivers value the convenience almost as much as the financial savings. On the other hand, people who keep vehicles for a very long time may want to consider battery aging, future replacement costs, and the availability of qualified repair technicians. Electric vehicle technology continues to improve, and battery durability has generally increased with newer generations of vehicles. Another factor is software. Many electric vehicles rely heavily on electronic systems and software updates. While software updates can improve performance and add features, they also mean that electronics play a larger role in vehicle operation. Gasoline vehicles increasingly use advanced electronics as well, but electric vehicles tend to depend on them even more. Insurance, charging equipment, and electricity costs are separate from maintenance costs and should not be confused with routine service expenses. A vehicle might be cheaper to maintain but still have different operating costs depending on local electricity prices, charging habits, and insurance rates. So, are electric vehicles cheaper to maintain than gasoline cars? For many owners, the answer is yes. The simpler mechanical design, lack of oil changes, reduced brake wear, and absence of a traditional exhaust system often lead to lower routine maintenance expenses. Gasoline vehicles usually require more regular servicing because of their complex engines and fuel systems. However, electric vehicles still need tires, inspections, filters, and other standard maintenance, and battery replacement remains an important long-term consideration. The most balanced conclusion is that electric vehicles generally offer lower day-to-day maintenance costs, while gasoline vehicles may involve more frequent servicing and engine-related repairs over time. The exact savings depend on driving habits, climate, vehicle age, and how long the owner keeps the vehicle. As technology continues to advance, the difference in maintenance costs may become an even more important factor for people deciding what type of vehicle best fits their needs. Whether someone chooses an electric vehicle or a gasoline vehicle, regular care is still essential. Checking tires, following service recommendations, and driving responsibly can help any vehicle last longer and operate more efficiently. Understanding the maintenance differences simply helps drivers know where their money is likely to go and what they can expect during years of ownership. In the end, maintenance is only one part of the ownership experience, but it is a part that affects nearly every driver. Electric vehicles have changed the conversation by showing that a simpler drivetrain can reduce many traditional service needs. Gasoline vehicles continue to offer familiarity and widespread repair options, while electric vehicles continue to demonstrate that fewer moving parts can often mean fewer routine maintenance expenses. That is why many analysts and drivers now view lower maintenance as one of the strongest advantages of electric transportation. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.